welcome to another Scratch tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you could create a parallax effect in Scratch. So let's get started. So I have two sprites ready, one is for the house and one is for the land, like this. And I made the house go to front layer, then go to x0 and y0. So for the parallax effect, basically the engine is like when green flag clicked forever, uh, go to x, mouse x divided by some value, then for the y, mouse y divided by a value. So basically the sprite moves with the mouse x. So basically the sprite moves by dividing the mouse x by a certain value, and by dividing we get a smaller value, so it does not actually follow our mouse, and using that we get a parallax effect kind of thing. To make it more customizable, let's create a new variable called parallax x for this sprite only, as we're using it only for this sprite. Then another one called parallax y for this sprite only. Then we can go ahead and set them both to certain value. We can say 10, like so. We can put mouse x divided by parallax x and mouse y divided by parallax y. So using that we can get a simple parallax effect, and not as we have kept it for this sprite only, we can create these variables in any sprite. Suppose in the land we can do parallax x for this sprite only, and it works. And we can have different parallax values for each sprite. So like if we set this to 8, and then we set for the land we'll set it to something like 14, and then green flag clicked, we can do something like this. So when mouse x is divided by parallax x, we'll go to that position. Then mouse y divided by parallax y. Okay. So basically that's how we can get a parallax effect. You can also play around with these values, uh, and then you can even add more sprites to the parallax effect. So this was the basic engine. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more video, for so that subscribe so that you don't miss the latest content. Bye.